first of all, file, open, you change to inches, 5 inches by 5 inches resolution, 400, and hit create. Then you get something like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring out our picture. I'll be dropping the picture for the file for us for free. So next you are going to do, you are going to reduce it like this. Yes, something like this. Yeah. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to be working on this picture. So first thing will come to camera raw. First of all, convert to black and white like this. Yes, convert to black and white. We come to our basics, our contrast. We use plus 60, increase it to plus 60, our highlight minus 44, our shadow 0, our white minus 43, then our black we are going to increase it to 54 like this, or 55. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to increase our texture, increase the clarity, then you increase this little bit. So the next thing we are going to come to our curve, our details, then increase the sharpness to the end like this, then you hit OK. So this is what we got. Yes, this is it. So the next you are going to do, you are going to come to going to bring our write-ups. No, before that, let's just work on the background. We are going to come to this one. This is it. You are going to drag it here like this. You are going to reduce it, like this. Yeah, something like this. Then hit OK, view it. Then the next thing you are going to do, come to our camera, filter. Sorry for that. Come to filter, blur, then motion blur, angle. Our angle is going to be 38. Their distance is going to be 183. Then hit OK. So the next thing we are going to come to filter, camera raw. We're going to open our basics. Yeah, our contrast plus 27, highlight minus 24, our shadow, leave the shadow, then you increase the black to minus 10 or 15, any of them. Increase the texture like this, then increase this too, then you hit OK. So this is what we are going to get. So the next thing you are going to come, we just play with our layout, which is layout like this. So we are going to be playing with this. First of all, we are going to make all this yellow come to the face of the woman. So we are going to flip it, then the next thing, vertical like this. Yes, increase, get something like this. So without wasting our time, get something like this. We bring it to the face of the woman like this. So without wasting our time, we're going to bring the next thing we are going to create is create a new layer. Then you come to, you press G on your on your keyboard to bring out the gradient then you pick on the color. We are going to be using black, so to give it a little shadow, just drag it up a little bit like this. something like this, then you hit okay. So I've already typed out our write-up. So the first write-up we are going to be picking is this: it's Friday. Then you come back, you paste Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Sorry for that, let's cancel it. Ctrl V, hit okay. You cut out Friday, then paste it back. The next you are going to do, you are going to be changing the color to white, sorry, from black to white, like this. Then the next you are going to do, you are going to be picking color. The color I'm going to use is Psycho D, like this. This is the font, then you do this like this. Then you increase your Friday, yes, like this. This is what we will get. Then you do same thing to this, change to white, change the font to Psycho D, yes. Then you bring it like this. Like this. So you just play with it, play around with it. I'm reducing the spacing in between. So we have something like this. Yes. You hit okay. So the next you are going to do, you're going to bring the other write-ups here, copy it, Ctrl C, then you click on your this thing. You press T on your keyboard, or you just select the key, then you pick the color from here. Just pick the color from here. You can see, just use this thing. Ctrl V, hit okay. You are going to change the color and the font size. You're going to change the font size to, here is this font, you can use Monstrate sharp. Tonight I'm not using Monstrate, so I'm still going to use this. No, let's use a tiny, yeah. So we are going to be reducing the font size to 6. Then we'll remove it from capital later, like this. So we are going to be breaking those texts apart. Yes, what's missing and what, yes, we are going to be breaking them apart like this, so we can see. So the next thing you are going to do, shift it up a little bit. Then we'll change the color. You can just play around, look for a nice color, but this is the color I'll be using, a dark orange. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select these 3 and shift it down a little bit, like this. So the next thing, I'm going to be borrowing something from the former design. I just bring to make it more faster. This I already created, so just drop it here. Yeah, like this. You centralize them. So the last but not the least, you are going to do is you go to the top of it, Ctrl Shift Alt E. So you will now come to your filter to just work on it. Then camera raw, then contrast, increase the contrast a little bit. Then the texture, increase it a little bit. Then the vibrance, increase it if you want. I'm going to increase it, then increase the saturation. Then we come to your field, your effect, increase, reduce, then increase the grain, like this. So The last but not the least is my name. Sorry for that. This dummy design, I forgot to put it. So you just con your key V, Control V, and paste it. The dummy design. So we are going to turn it like this. Hit OK. Then increase it a little bit like this. Then the next you are going to change the blending mode to overlay. Then bring it to our face, then take it down. Yes, this is it. If you know you learn something new, please don't forget to like. I love you. Bye bye.